Hey y'all, I know I haven't posted in a long time and I'm real sorry about that. There's been a lot of family drama. I can't cook in my bedroom anymore because my mother's flipping out over it. I've had some health issues. When I first started filming videos, I weighed 120 pounds. Then I spiked up to 145 and now I'm down to 130. I'm still trying to lose the rest of the weight. I've discovered that I have Crohn's disease and I have a fatty liver. So I've had to go on a low sodium diet, trim the fat. I've cut my sugar consumption in half or less. So yeah, there's a lot that's been going on. Two of my local towns are going through investigative audits, and I'm trying to get a job in another town. I've taken up door dashing for the exercise and the therapy and a little extra money. So, you know, that's pretty much what's been going on. And in the meantime, while I'm out here waiting for an order, I thought I would do some food reviews. Low sodium snacks are really difficult for me to find, so I had to go on Amazon to find some, and these are some of the ones that I really wish were available locally. Okay, this one is called Simple Mills Crackers. This one is, these are made with almond flour, and I have rosemary and sea salt. Ate too many of them and made myself sick. They're low sodium, but they do have sodium in them, and they do have olive oil. So, you know, but they are really good. I like them. That's what they look like. And I'll post Amazon links to all this stuff in the video description. The next one is Blue Diamond Almond Nut Thins. They're cheese crackers. These are also low sodium, and these are really good. I like these a lot. Now, if you're allergic to nuts, you're going to have a problem with a lot of these snacks, and I can't help that. I'm sorry. Everybody's responsible for their own diet. Now, these are Quest Tortilla style protein chips. These are really interesting. These totally take the place of Doritos, or almost. They're pretty close to Doritos, and they taste really good. They're made with whey protein, and I thought that was really interesting. But yeah, these are also low sodium. All of these things are low sodium. Now, I'm sure you've all seen the Veggie straw chips, but I found the Veggie wavy chips on Amazon. These aren't available locally, at least not in the general area where I live, and I actually prefer these to the straws because they taste like they have less salt, and you feel more like you're eating a chip. Let's see, chickpeas. They're called the Good Bean. I wasn't entirely thrilled with these. You know, they have kind of a, I don't know, they're odd. You know, they're really strange. Yeah, I think they would do better as a topping for something else. Don't ask me what. Maybe ice cream. I don't know. But yeah, they're a cooked, baked chickpea or garbanzo beans. A lot of people call them garbanzos in the South. Everybody else, I reckon, calls them chickpeas. But they're okay. They're really bland. They're low sodium, but the flavor is just bland. I'm not a fan of these. But they're out there if you want them. And something really cool is I discovered 2 new companies on Amazon. And one of them is called Epic. And something we really love in the South, aside from cracklings, is pork rinds. We love these. And these are really, really good. They're made by Epic. They're low sodium. They're artisan. And this one has a little bit of heat, but I like them. I'm a pepper sissy, but I like these. These are really good. They're not too hot for me. And I tried the pink Himalayan salt also, and this one was really good. They do have a few hard pieces in them, so, you know, if they would just go through and take out the hard pieces that'll break a tooth, I'd give them 5 stars. More or less. You know, I'm not necessarily rating these, but they are really good. And Epic also has jerky, which I really like. I purchased the Wagyu beef and the salmon. These 2 products do not contain nitrites or nitrates, which is a really good thing because I feel like cured meat manufacturers rely too heavily on the nitrates and the nitrites. They're intended to be a mold inhibitor, and I feel like BHT and BHA is a better mold inhibitor. Quite frankly, penicillin is a better mold inhibitor than nitrites and nitrates, because those 2 things will not make you sick. Nitrites and nitrates in high concentration, if you eat a lot of it, is toxic. It will make you sick. Eat too much cured meat and you'll get diarrhea. I get diarrhea from salt anyway. I don't need additional salt. So I've had to cut bacon out of my diet for the most part. I've had to switch to a low sodium bacon. I'm looking for uncured bacon, you know, smoked, unsalted. Can't find it yet. Anyway, they use citric acid and honey, because honey is literally anti-everything. It makes a better preservative. And people, you know, for the most part, we're not experiencing long-term survival like our ancestors did. We don't have to rely on salted meat for survival anymore. And the salt we're using today is not the salt that our ancestors used. We're using salt that has iodine added to it. It's mined. It's sodium chloride. They've actually added chlorine to it. So how healthy could it possibly be? The salt that our ancestors used, it either came from the ocean or it was a whole mineral salt. It had magnesium, potassium, iron, etc. in it, and it wasn't chlorinated. It wasn't bleached white. And it didn't have iodine added to it. So anyway, try these. I really like them. I'll leave a link in the description. And the other company is called the New Primal. And I bought beef sticks from them, or actually, well, they're meat sticks, not whole beef. These are also low sodium. I tried the peppered turkey and the classic beef. They're a little on the dry side. I think they tried a little too hard to make a lean product, and there's not enough fat in them to keep them moist in the package. So they actually dry out in the package, and the turkey was really bad about it. The beef, not so bad, but still a little dry. But yeah, I really like these, and they have a lot more flavors. Okay, so that's it for the low sodium snacks, and in another video I'll review sugar alternatives, some healthy fats and things like that I've discovered, and I'm going to start kicking with and enter into my diet a little more. So that's it for now. Sorry I can't cook for y'all anymore, or at least not until I rebuild my house, or I don't know, somehow get a camper or something. But until then, I'll still be around. You know, drop me a line on one of my YouTube videos. I'll respond to it. So anyway, thank y'all for tuning into Feisty Southern Cooking. Y'all be good.